Where are you from?
I am from Amta Chandni.
Okay. How has your confidence level changed after
Oh,
coming at Ambition?
so after joining Ambition, my confidence level has changed a lot. As I have said that before it, few months ago, I used
Okay.
to see many kind of videos in YouTube, many interview videos, and many cabin crew interview videos, especially. So I saw that they used to talk in English so properly and so fluently. Then I was very impressed by them. Like, how are they talking? Will I be able to talk like them? But now I have that confidence that okay, I will be able to crack any kind of interview like them. Also, I'm learning, but apart from learning, now I have that ability that I will be able to crack any kind of interview.
Okay. So what's your turning point of learning?
Turning point of learning, you can say the speech giving part. It's a very special part to me.
Okay.
And you, in the beginning time, you told us that each and every student of yours, they go to the podium and deliver speech every day. Especially one day I saw that Gargidi, she was telling a story. It was a motivational story. So she was telling the story so confidently. Then I thought that if she can do it, why can't I? And then I started to, find out new topics, new stories, and I used to go there to give some speech.
To deliver the speeches.
Yes.
Now, what kind of habits have you developed after joining Ambition Spoken English Center?
So mainly you told us that if you want to learn something, you have to listen it properly and you have to explore new things with yourself. Firstly, we don't need help of any teacher. Explore new things with yourself. Then I started to explore new things. I searched in the Google, I searched in the YouTube how to talk, how to explore new words, what will be my unique quality. So that's how my experience level changed.
Okay. So after completing 2 months here at Ambition Spoken Center, means will you be able to face the interviews right now?
Yes, I will be able to face any kind of interview, and especially to secure a very good job, to establish myself. I am here, and yes, you can say that I am able to give any kind of interview.
Okay. Now, are you able to clear your thoughts clearly, or means when you just need to express your thoughts in front of so many people? Are you able to right now?
Yes, definitely, because communication means you have to express your things. It doesn't mean that it have to be in a very difficult language or something like that. You just have to send your thing process to the person who is in front of you. So yes, English is like that. Firstly, you have to need to begin from the easy step, then you go to the harder. So that's why I practice like this, and now I can obviously express my thought process in English.
Okay, so how have you been benefited with the personality development session at Admission Spoken Center?
Okay, so personality development session is I think first of all it's a very important part, because getting 90% marks or academic score isn't mandatory in today's generation. You have to gain a lot of skills. You have to be the unique quality of personality. Like, why will the company take you? Why will they hire you? They always try to find some unique qualities in you. So first day you told me that you have to make that unique qualities in yourself, and I always try to make that unique quality, and I always try to be the unique personality person. So I think it helped me too much.
Okay. So after joining this course, as you have just improved quite a lot, means after this development, what does your means what do your teachers or do your family members have some they have some reactions? They also say something to you about the development. So what kind of reactions or the sentences have you got from those members?
Okay. First of all, I would like to tell about my father, because he knew that I was quite good in writing English, not in spoken English. But now he can see that I am seeing the interview videos and I am talking like them. I am creating my own answer, and he all time praises me so much. Like, yes, you have to do it if you wanna secure a career. Also, my mother is so happy, and my friends are always too much supported. They also tell that yes, if you wanna be a good citizen of our country, or if you wanna secure your dream job, you have to learn English. You're doing this, we're very happy for you.
Okay, so now you are speaking so good in English, and we're
Thank
so
you,
proud
sir.
that you're speaking in English. This kind of communication, the way you have just learned about how to communicate in English. So, how this kind of things like communication of English has helped you a lot? Means are you benefited with the communication
Obviously,
skills?
I am benefited a lot. You know, in a video of a creator, a famous creator, she told that if you wanna learn English, if you doing any mistake or you are pausing in the middle of the English, you don't have to be scared, because obviously mistake is the part of learning. And if you are learning English properly, so you have to eat in English, you have to sleep in English, and if you have to do everything in English. So yes, I took that advice from her and started to convert small sentences in English, and now I can talk properly, I think that.
So in the past you used to translate from English to Bengali, or
Yes.
Bengali to
Bengali to
English.
English,
Okay,
yes.
you used to translate.
Yes.
Now do you translate?
Translate means I said that I always try to uh, convert a sentence differently, like
Means you always try to say the
create my
sentence
own
differently.
answers.
Okay.
I always try to create
You
my own
always try
answers.
to create your own answers.
Yes.
Means you have your own style of talking.
Yes,
something.
yes.
That means you need to work on the vocabs, and you also need to know the different techniques of it.
Hmm.
Okay. So now you please tell me, means are you ready to take any challenges of the life? In a life, you're going to have different kind of challenges, especially if you think about the communication also as a part. So are you ready to take the challenges?
Obviously, we are humans. It's the part of our lives.
Okay.
From our childhood, we are taking different kind of challenges, and especially if you wanna do something different in your life or you wanna achieve something, you need to have that mentality that I will be able to take any kind of challenge. You know, winning or not winning is not the mandatory. The ability of taking challenge is the main thing, according to my thought process.
Very good. So I hope you will also take a lot of challenges in your life, and best of luck for
Thank you.
for winning this. And now you please tell me, how would you like to describe ambitions for Neil Center?
First of all, I can't describe ambition in a very short speech. So, if I say that it's the part of an emotion, it's our emotion, not only an English center. We learn many things, not only English. You taught us like how to go to interview, what should be your body posture, and everything. So, if I say about ambition, I think in a short speech it is not possible.
So do you feel like that ambition has become a second life to you, a second home to you? Generally, with students say, like schools are our second home, or our home is the first school, and school is the second home.
Okay.
So do you feel like ambition is also a second home to you?
Yes, because I think home is the first part of learning something. It's the first stage of education in our life.
Okay.
So from in the ambition, we are also
Ambition.
getting at ambition. We're getting the training of English, and you started to teach us from the beginning. And so definitely, I think it's the second home of learning English.
Okay, what would you like to share to the viewers or the junior students about learning English? Means sometimes they also forget the rules and regulations. They also don't follow the advice which we just always give them. So,
Okay.
what would you like to share them?
I'd like to share that if you have to learn something, you need to be dedicated. I said it before that doing mistake and pausing in the middle of talking, it's not the matter. It's very common. If you are dedicated, you will be definitely able to learn. And as I said that from the easy step, you have to start it, and then you go to the dependent stage, and that's you need to more practice and communicate with your friends in English, or anyone you can communicate with in English.
Are you from Bengali medium school or English medium school?
I am from Bengali medium school.
বাংলা মিডিয়ামের ছেলেমেয়েরা ইংলিশ বলতে পারবে?
Yes, definitely. Why not?
অনেক তো বাংলা মিডিয়ামের ছেলেমেয়েরা রয়েছে যারা তারা ফিল করে দ্যাট বেঙ্গলি মিডিয়াম স্টুডেন্টরা মনে হচ্ছে অত ভালো করে ইংলিশ বলতে পারবে না। তোমার কি মনে হয়?
I think
For those Bengali
it's
students.
it's a very wrong thought process, because few days ago in a video I was seeing that a girl was telling a motivational story that she was
You
pursuing.
are watching that.
Yes, she was pursuing MBA, and the HR was telling them that you guys are Bengali medium student. How will you crack the interview? And then she told that it hit in my mind that if the CBSE student can do it or ICSE student can do it, why won't we able to do that? So then I started to work on my English, and in that year 85% student of Bengali medium got the placement in like companies TCS, Tata, etc. And not only that, if I tell about uh, one of my elder sister, she is also from Bengali medium. Now she is working in Emirates Airlines. It's an international airlines. If she can do it, and she can earn something with her own hard work, her own education, why can't I? Just you have to need to have the dedication in yourself. You need to have the depth.
So you got a family member from your side in the cabin crew or in the air hostess.
No,
so have you
sir.
got the interest from her? Means, is she the
No,
inspiration to you?
she is not properly my elder sister. She is one of the elder sister of my
Sister,
friends.
one of sisters. One of the
My
sisters.
friend's elder sister.
Okay. Means somehow you have a relationship or you just
Yes.
know that person. And she's also in the profession which is your
And not
dream.
only that, she is a very famous social media influencer. She has 7,000 subscriber in her YouTube.
Okay, wow, that's very good.
Yes.
So one day,
And she is a villager also. If she can do it, why can't I?
so আমরা যে সমস্ত বাংলা মিডিয়ামের ছেলেমেয়েরা রয়েছে
Yes,
বাংলা মিডিয়াম
obviously.
তো আমরা যারা বাংলা মিডিয়ামের ছেলেমেয়েরা রয়েছি তারা যারা অনেকে মনে করছে যে বাংলা মিডিয়ামের ছেলেরা ইংলিশ বলতে পারে না তাদের জন্য একটা উদাহরণ হিসাবে নিজেকে তৈরি করতে পারছো
Yes.
কেমন লাগছে
Yes, I'm feeling so good. I'm learning. I have to learn a lot of things. So definitely, I'm feeling good that whatever I have learned, I'm feeling so good.
মানে সাধারণত দেখা যায় বাংলা মিডিয়ামের ছেলে মেয়েদের মধ্যে থেকে সাপোজ বিদেশি কেউ চলে এসেছে
Huh.
তার সঙ্গে আমার কথা বলতে হবে তারা তো দূরে পালিয়ে যায় ছুটে তোমার এখন কি মনে হচ্ছে যে যদি কোনো বিদেশি আর সামনে এসে যায় তুমি ছুটে পালাবার মতো জায়গা আছে নাকি তাদের সঙ্গে
No,
কথা
no.
বলতে?
I love to meet with people, different cultures, and to explore new things. Definitely, I talk to them.
I would like to. I would like
I'd
to
like to talk to them.
Have you ever got any opportunity to talk to the foreigners?
No,
Not yet.
not yet.
Okay, don't. We also visit Kolkata Book Fair all together. There are so many students also. We all together visit Kolkata Book Fair where we get the opportunity to talk to the foreigners. Some of the students also got the opportunity to talk to them. So I hope if you get the opportunity to go there also one day you will also meet some foreigners to talk to them. And
Definitely.
they are the native speakers.
Yes.
And listening to them will be so interesting because
Yes.
we in India, our English is quite different to them
Yes.
and their English is very different to us. So I hope you will be also getting the opportunity and as you want to be something like you're going to be the air hostess in your dream, it's a dream.
It's my dream, but I
Now
don't
you're
know.
having some challenges to be in the path, but I hope you'll be able to fulfill your dream. So I would like to also request to the viewers, you please pray for Shweta. Shweta অল্প দিনের মধ্যে যা কিছু শিখেছে হয়তো পার্সোনালিটি প্রনাউন্সিয়েশন বা ফ্লুয়েন্সি যা কিছু শিখতে পেরেছে সেটা শিখেছে কিন্তু যাতে করে ভবিষ্যতে মাত্র এইচএস পাস করে 2025 পাস হয়েছে না
Hmm.
তো 2025 মাত্র পাস হয়েছে তো এখন আপাতত লাইফটা অনেক বাকি রয়েছে the journey of life is not ended right now. So we would like to request you to pray for her so that she can also achieve what we wants to achieve and may Almighty bless you with all the achievements which you deserve and may you be
Thank you.
successful enough.
Thank
Best
you
of luck.
so much. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
thank you for watching. Thank you.